Now we're going to talk about your pad peeling up. The reasons why the pad peels up a lot of times, and I do repairs on them, is because of the heat, long-term, heat exposure, sun exposure. All it is attached by glue. So once you put heat on it, the glue will come up. So anytime I use repairs or do any repairs, I have a heat gun. And of course, you put heat on anything for a long period of time, especially this heat gun, it won't take time for it to peel up. See it peeling up. So with that short amount of time, what I'll usually do for something that peels up is you can use the glue that's with your repair kit, or what I like to use is some two-part epoxy from Lowe's or hardware store, wherever, even an auto parts store. Two-part epoxy, and it comes in different amounts of time of cure time. So I like the 1 minute to 5 minute. The reason why is if you have a short time of it being tacky, you can hold it with your hand. You don't have to clamp it down. Super easy. You can do, if it's a long strip, you can do little sections at a time. So, and this epoxy, a lot of people probably freak out is, it doesn't really harden super hard. So it's got a little pliability to it. So of course, on a board, you need that. So you don't want to get the really good kind that I use for fiberglassing. This is kind of just a repair, quick fix, but it works really good for pads, which is what I use. But again, you can use the glue that's in your repair kit, but you have to clamp it down, keep it steady. Let me get my stuff. So what you'll need is glue. Uh, And what I like to use is you just get these small brushes, some waste brushes that you can just pick up anywhere as well, because they're just disposable. You might need more to it than just one. Just depends on how long your strip is. Because once again, once you start mixing this up, it cures in 1 minute. So, but you can get it in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever, or overnight. So what I'll do is get the glue, little place where I can place the glue, and start a little time. You don't want to use all of it again because you only have a short amount of time, so you want to do a little at a time. All right, so you mix it up. And you don't want to be doing this in the sun. You want to do this indoors as well. So no direct sunlight anywhere. So what I'll do, get the glue, and I got to work fast. Just get the area, be clean with it. Again, how you do on both sides, so I can get it nice and tacky. And now I just hold on for, I don't know how long is a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. So if you get to a point to where you're doing big strips, what I'll do is hold it down, and I'll get some good tape, some blue tape that peels off easy. And you can keep it down that way. It does take about 24 hours to fully cure, but that 5 minutes or 2 minutes of tackiness keeps the pad down super tight, so you don't have to worry about keeping a clamp on it. So now this job, to replace these, put glue on the padding, I would give it from 1 to 10. I'd probably do a 5. It's glue, so once again, do clean jobs so you don't have to clean up your mess. And the more clean you do it, less mess you have and less work you have to do. All right?